Esa va la puta paquete. No me la pilla cagarte, vean.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do water crackers challenge. Who can eat the most water crackers without drinking the bag juice? So we have bag juice and the water crackers. Alright. What? After 3? 1, 2, 3.
Muy buena emoción.
Stop laughing.
Don't come back in our van.
I know me hungry now. Thank God you give yourself in yam.
All the food
Dry out. I'm a junkie like it. Oh, take it up with one towel.
I'm not satisfied.
Ben more four again. Ben got more four. I'm gonna run one again.
I see back to the I go more. I go more.
Do that. Take a back to the
Come here to work for Gummy Squad.
Why me say me can't go 10? So we have 4.
Where did you start one? Come second one. Man, I'm meditating.
Where I come from? Hungry.
I know I'm not gonna get
Yo, dia tayar berak. You tayar? Berak.
With about 4 and I'm out now.
Trời cũng lộn.
Struggling is real. Stuck in my teeth.
I'm just jumping. Then just stop it. The cacas don't look like my cacas.
Everything up on the video, you can look over the video and see.
Stop it, man.
I want to end up with some more.
I feel Valentino. No, not for no, uno can, uno has to eat. Wala ka sa kanila, isang mausap. Ay, we got watermelon fruit and guano. Yeah. Mom, you know, I'm going to find the one on the food more.
Oh!
Diyan! Yeah, that's better now. Go on, Papa. Keep long drive and all that money. Mama? Yeah. Có gì mà nó luôn chứ nào? Không gì à?
Man, you give me my no long one with that. Yeah, now you do it pancake.
Mia, no. Mia.
Man, I do a thing.
I bought food a bag. Food a with your bag. Food a. Food a mile dash for them. I drunk for them. No. Oh, ayer kakak. Biar saya kakak. After that one,
Indian now, everyone is running. One man. No, you can't.
no, you can't do that.
No, one near more, don't bite it.
Yeah, yeah, so far. I'm so fast. I'm so fast. I'm so fast.
One arrow, that's right it goes.
I got not doing it. Get me up. Come here, Bam.
No, man, you come here. Look, I can't take me that stick off to it, you know.
Yeah, pay that now.
Yeah.
Yeah, pay that now. But you got everything started? Yeah. That's one nice. You pick up the young? I'm going to with the prayer. I'm going to today. Yeah, pick up the I guess she's in.
All right.
Yeah. Mama. Make a smile, Bob. Make a smile and bend down fruit. Alright.
Go. Go.
Drink some seawater. You can't do it. You can't do it. No.
can't tell you. Yeah. 6 real out here. 6 well. 6 in the mark.
Take a fear. Milo gun is like different from house. Here I see one Milo gun.
Which one you want? A weed.
Oi, put it.
Counting down, counting down. Excelsior.
You can rest now. Yeah.
Oi.
All right. Now come last year.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh! Yeah, where?
Put it.
Something wrong. The arm was too close to the cup. Wrong. Then you see.
Put up on him. Put that drum over there, so. Shoot that thief. Put
No,
that.
man. Too much of them and gone. Too much. Like that, he brought them up and dashed with them. Them can't see. Clean, what there? Surrounding clean. Clean.
Give up. Give up.
I'm going already. Put it back. Put it back. What you got there? What gonna be the winner? What gonna be the winner?
My lord. Lord Ben.
Cool.
Ben. Na Ben mo dyan. Ben. Pula po yung man kakas.
No. Oh,
Nala poor. Nala poor.
Hmm.
Kukum.
Ito pa.
What?
Kukum.
Esa wala po sa packet. Nabalapia ka gata, bear. Nabalapia ka gata.
Dijan.
Ano yun ba?
Auntie give up.
Grand finale. XALC.
The ball that broke everywhere.
Auntie give up, baby.
Why more reacted?
You don't make no sense.
Murder.
You have to stick with the steamed fish or crackers.
Yeah? You have to eat the crumbs.
Steamed fish or crackers.
Give up.
Come on, man.
So, also know, like how me win.
My larbed.
Milo win.
Who for
That
tricky
we
water?
can do just.
No. No.
Ada.
Milo win.
Milo win.
Winner drink.
It's not work out.
Second place drink.
We drink before me. We
Get
come
up,
third.
get up. Get up. Get up, let me see them. Show me them.
I can't take a dollar.
Show me. Play.
Tell us I'm hungry. You may believe.
Play. No, me know crackers bring Eddie. Me not tear.
It's a Ben boss.
Me left a three. Me left me
about last time?
second place.
But at least we don't come last.
I will come
We
last.
come third this time. Then you just have to
I put the first lose.
second last.
No, I two crackers left. Remember.
But you drink.
Winner.
We know I'm hungry.
Milo did hungry.
I have two crackers and there. Me see take it from you. See.
What Milo? Not everywhere
No matter
alive,
how you try.
Not everywhere Milo alive, bro, brother. Milo, what can
Me never want him in a game.
Look for you, yo.
Hungry, baby.
No, shall not waste food.
Will it be up left? Stick to steam crackers or fish. Steam fish or steam fish?
Crackers with steam, brother.
Steam fish or crackers or tea.
I don't want no
Steam
dinner.
crackers or tea. But up in a little milk.
Then you eat now,
Yeah.
when I tell you my chalk, come back on my ears. My ears to my butt.
Radio.
Me know when I 5 enough.
Milo, how you feel to eat up one pack of crackers and not drink no water?
Stop.
No, nothing.
I feel overwhelmed.
Stop.
No joke, I do it, man.
brother.
How you feel to be a winner?
Yeah,
Be a bag of crackers.
Me a winner for a long time, you know.
Ah,
Yeah,
with the
bag of
crackers, we
crackers.
are winner. Yeah.
Pack of
Ben,
crackers,
how you
stop.
feel?
We be a
To
loser.
hide all of your crackers, they must still lose.
Gifted, man. Me gifted.
How you feel to hide all of your crackers, they must still lose.
At least that, man. I gifted.
Yeah.
And Milo, me give them. More you think crackers Milo eat.
Yo, when you done, your count much was that? Come on, tell me.